Hi, this is Mr. Clark. We're going to show you a quick overview of what we need to be doing in class. Just in case you missed it, if you were absent, this is what we're doing right now. So you go to your Edmodo account, make sure you signed up already and you have taken the class quiz. If you have not done so, make sure you go over to the class syllabus by clicking this little link right here. And it will take you to our class syllabus, and everything is in here that you need to know for that first quiz. Once you have take a look at that, go ahead and take the quiz, and then we're going to go ahead and get started on our All About You questions and answers. Yours will say Open Assignment right here, and then you will click this link to this Word document, the All About Me Questions 2017. Once you get here, you're going to put your answers and highlight them. Make sure your answers are in complete sentences, they're spelled correctly, and if there's a question that does not really apply to you, just go ahead and put an answer that gets pretty close to it. Don't put anything too specific, like addresses or phone numbers or what have you. Just keep it broad, but make sure it is all about you. That way, once we're done with this, it does save automatically to your account. So we're going to take the information that we put in here, and we're going to go to our V portal. So you can go to the myvolusiaschools.org, click on the V portal link. That will take you over to here, and it gives you all your different tiles that you have. You can check your grades in Gradebook whilst you're here, but we want to focus on Office 365. So we're going to click Office 365, and then that actually gives us access to a lot of Microsoft products from anywhere that has an internet connection. The ones we're going to focus on primarily are these ones right here. And for right now, we're going to make a PowerPoint. So we're going to go to PowerPoint, and you can pick any template you want for this. If you don't see one that you like, you can click More Templates. But pick one you want, and then you can modify it from there. If you already have started, you can go back over here and click whichever one you were working on and open it up again to work on it. If you want to make some changes to it, it does start you out in presentation mode, so you go to Edit Presentation and Edit in Browser. And then that way you can go ahead and make any changes you want. This also does save automatically, so you do not have to save it to your computer or a flash drive. It saves it to the cloud for you. So again, we're taking all of our information from here, and we're putting it in a creative format by not just putting paragraphs, but pictures, symbols, bullet points, so that you can tell your audience what you are all about. If you go back over to Edmodo, we do have a couple more things to help you out. We have a presentation rubric that you can check out. You just click on that hyperlink, and it gives you a presentation rubric to make sure that all your ideas are neat and clear and organized, and that they are to the point. And then when you are going to deliver this presentation, that you talk at a good rate, volume, and you maintain eye contact. Make sure your spelling is great. Make sure you get someone to peer review it, so that you can have that extra set of eyes take a look at your project. That is about it as of right now. We are going to have this due sometime next week. We're going to aim for Monday, which will be August 28th. So our presentation is going to be due by Monday at the end of class, and then we will start presenting on the 29th. And if we need more time to get this done, we will give you some more time. Just let me know where you are at in your process. Alright, that's about it from me, and I thank you very much.